The Koenigsegg Jesko claimed the title of the fastest homologated production car at Laguna Seca with a lap time of 1 minute and 24.86 seconds, surpassing the Czinger 21C. This achievement was accomplished by driver Markus Lundh during the Jesko Attack's first ever test at the track. Despite it being his first time racing at Laguna Seca, Lundh managed to fully unleash the potential of the Swedish hypercar. The Jesko Attack focuses on lap times with its shorter gear ratio, track-focused suspension, and aggressive aero package.